Hey guys, what's going on? Hey look, let me show you how to make a Facebook page profile picture, how to make a frame for it. Basically, if you watch my other videos, I showed you how to make the logos. I've been making this Bobby Bowden logo, and I decided to make a frame. So basically, let me show you what I did. Is if you watch my other video on Canva, I showed you how to do stuff on Canva. So basically, I made this frame here, right here, in Canva, and it's a 360 by 360 pixel. That's the actual Facebook profile frame. So basically, I just saved it, and then I took the background out, and then let me show you. Basically, this is the frame I did. So let me back out. This is actually called. I actually designed a bunch of other ones for our high school football team and other stuff I designed. So basically, it is called, if I can see it, it's on Frame Studio, Facebook Frame Studio. You can I'll put the link so you can see it, but it's facebook.com/frames. You can find it by typing in Frame Studio. Anyway, let's back out. What you do is go to the top, hit Open Frame Studio, open it up, bam. Go down to bottom. Let's get started. But from here, you just basically just upload the art. I had the design. I've been designing all kind of stuff today. I designed this helmet, and also you can watch the video on how I designed the helmet. But also this I'll put a video on how I designed this Canva right here. So let's click it. Done, and bam, pops up. So basically, this is what it's gonna look like on the Facebook profile picture. It has Bobby Bowden, 1929, and he died today, which is August the 8th, 2021. And he coached at Florida State 1976, 2009. I just want to show my respect. And alright, so let's go down to the bottom. Let's hit next. Let's type in Bobby Bowden. FSU. Let's go down to available anywhere. Make active right now. Let's do some keywords so when people type it in, they can find it. Oop, I can spell it right. Alright, Bobby Bowden. Let's go Florida State. Florida State University. FSU. Florida State Seminoles. Let's type in, let's see, Bobby Bowden, Florida State, FSU, Florida State University, Florida State football. Alright, that should be good enough. Let's go down to next. Then we can publish it. I'm gonna screenshot. Let's see if I can. Alright, I'm gonna screenshot this so I can make my own post. Alright, let's see if we can. I thought it was like a display. Anyway, this is how you do it. Facebook Frame Studio. This is how you make the profile picture frames. You can make all kind of stuff. It is kind of aggravating, but I use my background eraser, and you can watch the video how I did that, and also you can watch the Canva how I make these logos and stuff to do this. So hey, thank y'all for watching. my video, please subscribe to my channel and see other videos that I might post. And thank y'all for watching. God bless y'all. Have a good day.